Having understood the balance sheet part by part, now we come to the second part of today's discussion, and that is how to achieve efficient management of working capital. Now, friends, uh, the research carried out globally shows that in 90% of the cases, whenever a company closed down, the reason behind or the starting point for closure of any company anywhere in the world is the bad working capital management. And when it comes to the rating or evaluation of our vendors, this is one area we really need to focus on, and we need to be aware as to how is the working capital management of the vendor of any party for that matter. So if a vendor is having a tight working capital management, you can virtually be rest assured that this vendor should do well. But if a vendor is having bad working capital management, that is where you need to raise your antennas, because there is a full possibility that this vendor might run into difficulty. And this is the critical and the significance of working capital management. And at the outset, let us also understand why working capital is referred as working capital. तो वर्किंग कैपिटल को वर्किंग कैपिटल क्यों कहते हैं? And the answer, of course, is very simple. Working capital is called as working capital because if it is not there in the business, the working of a business will come to a grinding halt. In other words, working of a business is possible because of the working capital, and that is the significance of working capital. Now, let us understand what this working capital is and how does it work. तो एक तो हमको मालूम है वर्किंग कैपिटल का क्या मतलब है. वर्किंग कैपिटल का मतलब है इन्वेंट्रीज, रिसीवेबल्स, कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस, एंड दैट इज योर वर्किंग कैपिटल. एंड व्हाई दैट इज वर्किंग कैपिटल? बिकॉज इन्वेंट्री नहीं है तो प्रोड्यूस कहाँ से करेंगे, और कस्टमर आज की तारीख में क्रेडिट मांगता है, कस्टमर को क्रेडिट नहीं देंगे तो माल नहीं खरीदेगा, माल नहीं खरीदेगा तो बना के भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. सो रिसीवेबल इज अ वर्किंग कैपिटल. कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस, डिजिटल का जमाना है, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, बट स्टिल वी हैव टू मेंटेन द बैंक बैलेंस. वी हैव टू हैव सम कैश विद अस फॉर स्मूथ रनिंग ऑफ आवर operations. So these are your working capital. Now let us understand what is the working capital cycle, because ultimately our objective of this discussion is to ensure how to put in efficient management of working capital, not only in our own operations but also in the operations of the parties or the vendors whose rating or whose evaluation is our responsibility. So this is what you see on your screen is the working capital operating cycle. So where does this working capital operating cycle start from? ये शुरू कहाँ से होता है? So you have the supplier, he is supplying you the material. So we will receive the components and parts and other raw material from our suppliers. So supplier giving us the material, and then now what do? We convert this material that we receive from the different suppliers in work in progress. And how do we convert this raw material or these components into work in progress?
It is not visible. Sir, your screen is not visible.
Not visible? Okay, no worries. I'll just give me a second. So is it visible now?
No, sir.
I think it's coming. On at my end, it is showing as presenting. Do you also see the same message? Something like that?
Nothing, sir. It is blank.
It is blank. So I hope it's not same as it was yesterday. Is it visible now?
No, sir.
Is it visible now? No?
No.
Okay. So let me just do it once again. No worries. I'm sure this should happen this time. It should happen this time. Is it coming now?
No, sir.
Now also?
Yes. No. No. Nothing, sir.
Nothing?
Screen is totally.
Totally blank. Okay. Okay. Stop sharing. Open tray. The tray is open. I'm just trying to desktop. Okay, maybe what I will do, I will disconnect and then connect again. So
Yes.
yeah, just please bear with me for a minute.